package day. Last week we installed the clutch on the Miata. While we were installing the clutch on the Miata, we snapped the studs on the original catalytic converter. So I thought about getting it fixed, but I just decided to sell the old one, buy a new one, since the old one was the original one anyways. But yeah, we're gonna install the catalytic converter in this one. It should be easy. I think it's like 4 bolts, nuts and bolts, and the old catalytic converter is already out of the car. It's already sold, it's in the junkyard. So with that, it's not a lot of struggling. So if you're doing this on your Miata and it has the original catalytic converter and it hasn't been touched in 20 something years, you're probably gonna struggle. Maybe snap a bolt or 2, but if not, then this is how you do it. Very simple. Okay, first things first, we have to jack up the car, but I'll go ahead and remove the plastic on this one. This looks like. Flyin Miata Catalytic converter. It's supposed to be higher flow. The weld looks okay. It's pretty clean. I think this is gonna be, or it is, a lot smaller than the OEM catalytic converter, so it might make my car really loud. But I have the MagnaFlow catback on this one. I actually went for the catback exhaust that's not too loud, in case I have to do something like this, or even swap out the headers. But this should be fairly easy to do. But yeah, Flyin Miata. We'll see how it goes. Down here, my cat's already out. We just installed the cat back and drove home without the cat since we couldn't bolt it back in. So yeah, this guy's gonna go over here. Just gotta figure out how it's gonna go. Okay, so this looks about right. One flange is bent a little bit, so you're gonna want to make sure that you have the right flange on the right side. Got it installed. Bolts loose. It's not tight. Just wanted to get the gasket in there, get it all kind of hung up. Ideally, when you're tightening these, you want to make sure that it's even so that you don't have any exhaust leak. I suck at it. I'm not very good at it, so I always have exhaust leak. It's a convertible. If I have an exhaust leak, it's kind of just mixed up with all the other smells that I'm getting. But yeah, I'll work on tightening this up. That's pretty much it. Just 4 bolts, 2 over here in the mid pipe, 2 in the cat back. Yeah, if you're doing this with your car, the hardest part is probably taking the original one off, because more than likely, if it hasn't been removed, it's gonna be pretty tight in there. Okay, I'm gonna put you down, tighten these guys up. Oops. Found something that could be an issue, not specifically to the catalytic converter. This is a MagnaFlow mid pipe, and when I installed it a while back, it's always been kind of tight over there with this frame. So I don't know, we could end up with a rattle. I'm trying to move it over through these hangers. I'm gonna try and go outside and scoot over from the back, but I don't know. Worst comes to worst, I might just take off that frame bar and just take a hammer to it, give it a little bit more clearance, but I am, I'm not sure. We'll just have to take a look, but everything's bolted up tight. It looks like I shouldn't have any exhaust leak, but it always feels like that anyways. So that is pretty much it. There's really nothing else to changing your catalytic converter. Alright, A camera died. I'm using our B camera. My car's dead from storage, so I have to jump it every time I start it. So give me a minute, guys. Keys. Old clutch is right there. Woo-hoo-hoo. Come on, baby. Sounds pretty much like stock. Maybe it's a little bit louder. I have to drive out, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna record that since all my cameras are dead. So we'll keep it at that. If any questions on installing a catalytic converter, those 4 bolts might be, I don't know, confusing, just comment below. That's pretty much it.